Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to create a mask ID map for use in Substance Painter with the Masked Alphas tool. What I'm doing right here is combining the parts that will have the same ID color. After this I will export out the parts and bring it into ZBrush. And I could actually just combine the parts in ZBrush instead, but the less non-sculpting things I have to do in ZBrush, the happier I'll be. I'm currently doing this in Maya, but any traditional modeling tool will be able to do the same. I'm now exporting out the separate parts. I'm doing this because if I export it into one big OBJ, it will get combined inside of ZBrush. And this is the easiest way I know of. Now that I'm in ZBrush, I'm going to use the multi-append tool to put all the parts into the same ZBrush tool. And then I'll just subdivide each part as much as needed. When that's done, we will assign a color to each set of parts. So I'll choose the flat color shader and assign a bright color to each set of parts. I know there's supposed to be a plugin that randomizes the color to each subtool, but yeah, we'll do it manually for now. Here I'm just changing the render size to 2048 by 2048. Then I'll just go to the texture slot and grab and save the document. Inside of Photoshop, I'm gonna change the ID colors to the default colors of the Masked Alpha tool. I'm using the magic wand tool, range, to select the parts with the same colors. And then I'm assigning the default colors of the Masked Alpha tool. If you're wondering what the default colors are, you can find them in the help document that comes with the tool. Now the mask file is finished and we can bring it into Substance Painter. I'm gonna add the alpha and mask file to Substance Painter. Selecting the tool. you can use the edit files like you normally would. And you can use it in whatever way you want. But in this case, I'm just gonna choose some bright colors and use it as an ID map for use with custom smart materials. That's it for the tutorial, but if you want, you can stick around and see the final result.